Hello and welcome to Someka Roadmap Google Sheets template. I will just go into the details of the template, but before doing so, first of all, in order to be able to use the template, let's create our own copy, first of all, okay? And I'm just going to delete this and make my own copy from the delivered link to your email. Okay, so this template helps you to build visual roadmaps for projects, products, teams, or whatever the strategic initiatives you're managing. You can organize activities by category, timeline, and milestone. And present your plans like this in a clear roadmap view. And basically, you write your goals and then milestones and time and stages and splits, and they are automatically transferred into the visual roadmap view. So let's make a try here. I'm going to write some test goal, okay, and I'm going to choose the milestone, if it's a milestone or not. If I select the milestone, my test goal is going to have a star here. Let me also put a time here. I'm going to choose the medium and I'm going to choose the stage. Then you see not labeled test goal is here, and I'm going to choose a split so that it assigns a team here. Let's choose marketing. So my test goal has moved here, and if I change the split, the view is going to automatically adapt itself. So this is a pretty nice, simple way to make your data input and see the output instantly in a roadmap view. Also, let's take a look at the settings section, what we have here. You can have phases. We have these phases by default, but you can change them whatever you want. The vertical split colors. So you see here, our marketing team has the yellow color. This is what we assigned here, but you can change and the template will adapt itself automatically. And also the time range. The time range we choose here also depends on the size. So I chose medium. If I chose large, it's going to enlarge to fill the whole space here. So I can change the sizes and also the text length to change some visual options in our roadmap view. So this is basically it, and as I said, it lets you quickly convert your data into a roadmap view on an online Google Sheets template. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net.